Okay, I think we start here in the sub-inventory transfer. So what
Yes.
we will see today is that intra transfer. So for intra transfer, what we will do is that we will try with the lot control and the serial numbering. So
Okay.
earlier on, which we saw for sub-inventory transfer is that without the slot control, which means that is a batching process wherein this semi-finished goods, whatever we are manufacturing, so
Mhm.
this will not be a serialized item. So when this will be serialized is that when I do my assembling and then I make the packing and these things. So that is when I'll serialize. So the second case, what we are seeing now is that it will be a serialized item, which means this will be a finished good. Okay. So we'll see, probably we'll see in the system. So what are the steps that is involved? So yeah. So we'll see the setups required for intra transfer.
Okay. Okay, Arun, sure.
Okay, so this is the key flex field that we have for locator control. So this is the standard one that is being used. That is, we will have aside and then we will have rows, rack, and bin. So this should suffice our what do you call the details to capture the basic information. So I'm not setting up a new structure. So I'm using the existing structure and I'll try to attach this with the inventory arc and then we will use this. Okay. So this is a predefined stock locator. So I'll use this one, the predefined stock locator. Okay. So for this, what I will do is that first let me create an inventory organization with control by lot control. Okay, so this I'm creating under same business unit. So what I'll do is that I'll create two inventory organization under same inventory, I mean same business unit, because that is when I can transfer my this thing items from one arc to other arc. So I'll create two different arcs under the same structure.
Okay. Okay, Arun. Got it.
So here, inventory master, I'm using this one, the Mauritius inventory tool, which we created on the other day. So what I'm doing is that I'm having a common inventory master for both this new inventory arc that we are creating. So that we created on the last class. So I'm attaching that here, and I'm not saying it is a definition organization. It is a reference organization, and I'm giving the reference organization definition as well. So the same thing. Okay, and I'm using the same schedule. Okay, so here we have different options to manage our lot controls. Basically, this is nothing but the generation of lot numbers. So here we have three options. So one is that we can say at item level, which means whatever control that we are giving at item level, it will be picked by the system. The other one is at organization level. So organization level is nothing but our inventory. So I can give my prefix and I mean the details here. Okay. Okay. And so these are not mandatory, the child lot control and these things. So whereas when we have requirement, we will use these things. And we have also the serial number generation. So serial number generation, so what I have done is that I have picked this for the organization. So again, here we have the same three levels. So whether I want to use this at item or organization, or I wanted to use my own serial numbers. Like if you see here, so I have only the numeric number generation. So let's say there is a requirement wherein I wanted to use the alphanumeric. So in this case, I will have to use the user defined. So what will happen is that so there will be a separate tool or the application to generate this serial numbers. So I will just take that particular serial number and I will input here. So for those cases, what I can do is that I can use the manual or the user defined. Okay. So for now, I'm choosing organization level. So which means our sequence will start from one. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, Arun.
Yeah. So similar to this, I'll create another inventory arc as well.
Arun, one small request. Actually, I'm having one emergency meeting at 8:30. I just received a meeting request. So could you, if possible,
Okay.
could you please
Yeah,
send me the.
sure. Sure. Yeah, fine. We'll connect evening sometime.
Yeah, yeah, fine, fine. Evening, you can send me the request so that we can connect in the evening.
Yeah, sure,
Same
sure.
WhatsApp. You can share the meeting request through WhatsApp. No problem, Arun. Okay,
Okay.
I will. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, fine. Yeah, thanks.